Hey there, Smart Choice family. Welcome back to another video where we help you make informed decisions about your purchases. Today, we're diving into something really exciting: premium electric shavers. I've spent the past few weeks testing 5 of the most talked about shavers on the market, and I can't wait to share my findings with you. Before we get started, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell to stay updated with our latest product reviews. Now let's dive into these amazing shavers that might just transform your grooming routine. Let's start with the Manscaped's Dome Shaver Pro, priced at $139.99. This is a specialized tool that's truly revolutionizing head shaving for bald men. After using it for several days, I was genuinely impressed by its 5-head rotary blade system with skin-safe technology. The way it glides over the curves of your head feels incredibly natural, thanks to its Flex Adjust feature. I particularly love the charging flexibility. You can use either USB-C or wireless charging, which is super convenient. While it's primarily designed for head shaving, which might limit its versatility, it absolutely excels at its intended purpose. The travel lock feature is a thoughtful addition that prevents any accidental activation in your bag. Next up is the Panasonic Swipe Right Compact Shaver, coming in at a more affordable $99.99. This compact wonder really surprised me with its versatility. It's designed to be unisex, which is refreshing to see in this market. Despite its smaller size, it packs some impressive technology, including a smart beard sensor that adjusts power based on hair thickness. The wet-dry capability means you can use it in the shower. And at this price point, it offers exceptional value. While the battery life isn't as long as some premium models, its portability makes it perfect for travelers or as a reliable backup shaver. Moving up to the premium segment, we have the Philips Norelco 9000 Prestige at $379.99. This shaver truly lives up to its prestige name. The moment you pick it up, you can feel the quality. The Skin IQ technology isn't just marketing, it genuinely adapts to your facial hair and skin type. The aerospace-grade steel blades deliver an incredibly close shave, and the included accessories, especially the Qi charging pad and cleaning pod, make this feel like a complete premium package. While it's certainly an investment, the technology and performance justify the price for those who take their grooming seriously. The Panasonic RC6, priced at $399.99, represents the pinnacle of Japanese engineering in the electric shaver world. This 6-blade marvel performs 84,000 cross-cutting actions per minute, and yes, you can feel the difference. The 22-direction flexible head ensures it catches every hair, even in tricky areas like the neck. It's particularly effective on thick, coarse facial hair, though there is a bit of a learning curve to get the most out of all its features. The build quality is exceptional, and while it's the most expensive option in our lineup, it's built to last. Last, but certainly not least, is the Braun Series 9 Pro Plus at $379.99. This German-engineered masterpiece introduces some innovative features, like the Pro Comfort pre-shave head that prepares your facial hair before cutting. The 5 synchronized shaving elements work together beautifully, and the Smart Care cleaning system ensures your shaver stays in pristine condition. While you'll need to factor in the cost of replacement cleaning solution, the convenience of having a self-cleaning system is hard to beat. After extensive testing, I can confidently say that each of these shavers excels in different areas. The Philips Norelco 9000 Prestige offers the best overall value, combining premium features with user-friendly design. The Manscaped's Dome Shaver Pro is unbeatable for head shaving, while the Panasonic Swipe Right is perfect for travelers. If you have particularly thick facial hair, the Panasonic Arc 6 is worth the investment. And for those who prioritize convenience and maintenance, the Braun Series 9 Pro Plus is an excellent choice. Remember, the best shaver for you depends on your specific needs, hair type, and budget. All the products mentioned today are available through the affiliate links in the description below. Using these links helps support our channel at no extra cost to you. That's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. What's your experience with any of these shavers? I'd love to hear from you. This is Smart Choice, helping you make better buying decisions. See you in the next video.